Canon's mirrorless lineup might be getting its most exciting addition yet. The rumoured Canon EOS R9 is stirring up curiosity with hints of impressive features packed into a budget-friendly body. From powerful image quality and advanced video capabilities to improved stabilization, the Canon EOS R9 could be exactly what many amateur photographers have been waiting for. Here's a look at everything we know so far. The Canon EOS R9 is expected to continue Canon's strategy of delivering compact, sleek mirrorless cameras. The camera will feature a polycarbonate body to maintain a lightweight profile. However, unlike some of Canon's earlier budget-friendly models, the EOS R9 is rumoured to have enhanced ergonomics. Reports indicate a more pronounced grip that will improve handling and make it feel more comfortable during longer shooting sessions, especially when paired with heavier lenses. The control layout is likely designed to be straightforward and intuitive, making it attractive to both beginners and experienced users. Canon seems to be taking cues from the EOS R8 in terms of button placement. As for the display, rumours point toward a fully articulated touchscreen, possibly measuring between 3.0 inches to 3.2 inches. Canon might also be improving the screen's brightness and outdoor visibility, making it easier to use in bright conditions. There are also speculations about an upgraded electronic viewfinder. If Canon includes a higher resolution EVF, it will be a welcome improvement, offering clearer and more accurate framing for photographers who prefer composing shots using the viewfinder instead of the rear screen. The sensor of the Canon EOS R9 is one of the most debated aspects of the camera. Conflicting rumours implied two possible directions Canon might take. One theory points toward a 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, which would push the EOS R9 above the EOS R8 in terms of resolution. Such a move would attract photographers seeking high-detail image quality, particularly for landscape and portrait work. On the other hand, some sources claim that Canon will go for a 32.5-megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, similar to the one found in the EOS R7. If true, this choice would provide the camera with excellent resolution while appealing to wildlife and sports photographers who prefer the extended reach that APS-C sensors offer. Canon is likely aiming to make the EOS R9 a well-rounded camera suitable for both photographers and videographers. The camera is rumoured to feature an improved dual-pixel autofocus system, providing faster and more accurate focus tracking. Enhanced autofocus will be particularly useful for those who shoot fast-moving subjects like wildlife or sports. Video capabilities are also expected to be a major selling point. While 4K video recording is almost guaranteed, there are whispers of the EOS R9 offering 8K recording as well. If true, this would be a groundbreaking feature for a camera in this price range, making it a tempting option for content creators seeking high-resolution video without the huge price tag. Connectivity is another area where Canon is expected to make improvements. The EOS R9 will likely come with upgraded Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, making file transfers and remote control via smartphones much more efficient. Reports have also mentioned the possibility of a more streamlined and user-friendly interface, which would be especially appealing to beginners. Battery life could see slight improvements thanks to what is rumoured to be a more efficient processor. Another feature speculated to be included is in body image stabilization. If Canon manages to integrate IBIS, it will significantly enhance handheld shooting, making the camera much more versatile. Performance-wise, the Canon EOS R9 is expected to be powered by the upcoming Digic X processor or a newer variant of it. This advanced processor will likely offer improvements in speed, image processing, and efficiency. If the rumours about 8K recording are accurate, the processor will play a crucial role in ensuring smooth video capture with minimal overheating. Improved buffer capacity is also anticipated, allowing faster burst shooting. This will be especially useful for wildlife and sports photographers who rely on capturing fast-moving subjects. Compared to older models, the EOS R9 should provide a much snappier, more responsive experience overall. Canon has not officially announced the release date of the EOS R9. However, considering the increasing number of leaks, a launch in the second half of 2025 seems likely. Canon might aim for a September or October release to coincide with major photography events, ensuring maximum exposure for the new model. When it comes to pricing, the Canon EOS R9 is expected to be a budget-friendly option. If it ends up being a full-frame camera, a starting price of around $1499 seems probable. However, if it features an APS-C sensor, the price could drop to approximately $1,299. Pricing will heavily depend on whether Canon includes high-end features like 8K recording and IBIS. The Canon EOS R9 is likely intended to fit between the EOS R8 and EOS R7. If Canon decides to go with a full-frame sensor, it will serve as a more affordable alternative to higher-end models like the EOS R6 Mark II. However, if the camera features an APS-C sensor, it will be closer in position to the EOS R7 but at a lower price point. Canon appears to be targeting photographers and videographers who want more than what the EOS RP or EOS R8 offer, without paying the premium for models like the EOS R6 Mark II. This positioning would make the EOS R9 a very attractive option for enthusiasts seeking advanced features at a reasonable price. If you are in the market for an affordable but powerful mirrorless camera, the Canon EOS R9 might be worth waiting for. Those looking for high-resolution photography, advanced video capabilities, and reliable autofocus should definitely keep an eye on this release. But if you cannot wait or need something now, there are a few great alternatives available. The Canon R8 is an excellent choice for those wanting an affordable full-frame camera. The Canon EOS R7, on the other hand, offers superb performance with a crop sensor. If you prefer something outside of Canon's ecosystem, the Sony a6700 and Fujifilm X-S20 are excellent options with advanced autofocus systems and solid video capabilities. In conclusion, if the Canon EOS R9 delivers on its rumored features, it could be one of the most exciting releases of the year for enthusiasts and beginners. That's all for today. What are your expectations for this upcoming Canon camera? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates about cameras every day.